Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. Now it's Saturday night, enjoying some wine. And the good thing when you have a robot that can make the money for you, you're not relying so much on your brain, so you can just enjoy wine and make money. So I figured out, why not make one more $1,000 a day? So let's start up the robot. Basically, I made it more simple now to get the robot. Just follow the link below the video. Just follow. You don't need to email me more. Everything will be automatically for you to get the robot. Of course, you still need to make a first-time deposit using my link, but basically the rest is now automatically for you to get the robot. So it's much faster for you to get started. So nothing like a wine in a Saturday. And making money, of course. So that's the beauty when you have a robot, that you can do whatever you feel for. Enjoy wine, beer, whatever you feel for, whiskey. And you don't need to rely on this. You can just let the robot do all the thinking for you. So you can see already you made $194 in just seconds. So, and also if you can't run this robot in your country, I also below you find a link to a robot that works worldwide. It's more or less the same robot, but it's for another broker, Pocket Option. But I prefer this one, so if you can't run this one in your country, I suggest you use this one. So we are now 1/4 way to reach $1,000. So what can I say? I just love robots. Right now, before I was doing a lot of manual trading. I almost don't do that more because I have robots now for everything. I have robots for Forex, and many robots for binary option, and I have robots for cryptocurrency. I will start to show that also in my channel later on, because I don't like to be trading myself more. I like to let my robots just do everything for me. So you can see now we have made $600 just in a matter of minutes. So you need to get this robot. So yeah, no, I think we can just stop there. I will continue looking my movie. We don't need to make this video so much longer than necessary. It's just to show you the simpleness of this robot, how easy you can make money. And I can't stress enough, if you don't have this robot by now, you need to get it. See me now? I don't even manage to talk properly because I have drank enough, a lot of wine, you can say like that. So even a little drunk, I still make money. How amazing is that? So you can too. So I hope you enjoy to see me a little drunk and making money. So with that, have a perfect day.